It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
So I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on how I did my I don't know if y'all want to call it purple or pink. It really was supposed to be red, but I don't know what happened. Like, that's what the color said, and it came out like a, I don't even know what, I'm not good with colors. Is this fuchsia? Is it purple? Is it pink? Oh, y'all can see it better when I'm up close though. My bad, y'all. That might be a good thumbnail. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I got this hair. I really like the color, and I like the idea of having hair paint wax so that it wouldn't be like permanent. But it's like the hair, the wax is like a gel kind of consistency, so when you put it in and it dries up and stuff, it just flakes everywhere. So I be having like pink flakes all over, and that's mad annoying. Like, I be having it in my sink, on my bed, on my chairs, on my vanity, and I be having to wipe it up. It's good that it's like, you know, wipeable, washable, or whatever, but other than that, it do get everywhere. It's probably on my shoulders and stuff. Like, when I take my hair down, be everywhere. I'm planning on washing my hair tomorrow, so that's why I needed to do this intro today, because I wasn't even about to do the intro. I'm so bad with getting intros, y'all, but I'm like, I need to wash this out my hair, so I wanted to show y'all how it look, you know, fresh still, because it still look real cute. Like, the curls is definitely popping, but it's the flakes for me. Like, I can't deal with that. I don't know if I got OCD or what, but when, I don't know, I just can't deal with it. So yeah, but other than that, you know, I think it's really cute. Like, I would probably do it again. I probably wouldn't do it often, but definitely again. So I hope y'all like it. I really don't have nothing else to say about this video. I might show y'all some outside clips so y'all could see the color and the light, but other than that, period. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. I just rinsed it from having a conditioner in there, and I'm about to put in this leave-in conditioner first. The leave-in conditioner I'm gonna use is Not On My Watch by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. I don't know if y'all can see it, but hopefully. And then I'm gonna use the Wetline Extreme Gel to define my curls. And I got some hair color wax. It is not the As I Am brand. I know that's the most common brand that everybody uses, but I seen this in a beauty supply store, and it's still hair color wax. So yeah, I just copped there. Whatever. It's from Magic Collection, and this one is in the shade, I think it's supposed to be red, but yeah, it is. It's supposed to be red, but it looks pink while it's in here. I never opened it. Since my back is always the hardest to film, I'ma just film the front part for y'all. So I'ma just come back to the camera when I'm filming the front part, and I am about to put a towel around my shoulders just so I won't have too much color on me, because I do have somewhere to go after this. So yeah, I'm gonna be back. So I've done the back half. I don't know if y'all could tell in this light, but hopefully you can. If not, I'm gonna show y'all my hair after I'm done with the whole thing anyways. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. I have somewhere to be at 5, so I'm trying to hurry up and do these top two halves. And this side I already put leave-in conditioner in, so I'm not gonna do it again. My bad if I'm looking this way, because I'm looking in the mirror. Anyways, I'm supposed to be talking to y'all. Okay, so this side I already put this leave-in conditioner in, so I'm not gonna do it again. So I'm about to just continue to do what I was doing. I had put the gel on first and then the color on second. I put these gloves on because I don't got time for this stuff to be all over my fingers, and the application like still go on pretty good with the gloves. So most of this, literally like the whole jar on their head, but I only used about like half the jar, so I still got half left in case I want to do this style again. This is the color. Yeah, I know I said it was supposed to be red, but it's looking very much pink, very much I don't know what this could be considered, fuchsia. I'm just not sure, so I don't know what this color is.
Two, three, make you feel like it, make you wanna